This is me at 16 years old, and these glasses fit like half my face, and they didn't have nose pads, so they kept slipping off my face, and they're really close to my eyes, and they fogged up all the time. Here's my senior portrait, and these glasses are kind of like almost aviator style kind of glasses, and they're thin wire, but they finally have nose pads. These wire frames didn't really complement my face. I'm 23 here, and these oval wireframes aren't too bad, but they just didn't have much of a personality. It's just kind of boring. Let's fast forward to me in my 40s now, and I think I finally figured out the glasses that work well for my face shape and that I feel really beautiful wearing, and I feel great about it. Now, how do you know you're wearing the wrong glasses? If they don't fit well, or they distract from instead of complementing your face. Glasses that are too big slide off your face, and you have to constantly push them back up. And the eyes aren't in the center of the lens. Glasses that are too small or too tight on your face. They hurt to put on and they squeeze your face. They pinch your ears because the temple length is too short. Ouch. Or you might have to strain to look through them because the lens height is too small. It's like looking through small windows. This is a crash course on how to find the right glasses for you, finally. I'll show you how to find your face shape, how to measure your frames correctly, and how to shop for glasses online. Glasses are not just a necessity, they become a part of your personality. So why not have fun with it? And stay to the end of the video to find out what I found here that made me run for my life. Hi, I'm Fanny of Living Richly on a Budget, and I help busy people save money without feeling deprived. Number one, how to find your face shape. So I've looked at a lot of magazines and YouTube videos on how to figure out your face shape, and I never ever got it right. Here's how I finally figured out my face shape. I use Zenny's try-on tool. So Zenny has try-on tool that will take a video of your face going left and right, and then it will automatically tell you what face shape you are. I want to show you how to create a virtual try-on Zenny Optical. So you go to the all glasses. I'm just going to shop all glasses here. And you'll see this virtual try-on button here in the top right corner. Click on it. So it shows my try-on already, but I'm going to create one. So click on this green try-on now button. Make sure you set up your camera settings to allow camera. And then take off your glasses. Then click tap to begin, and you're going to fit your face into this little rectangular square. Then it tells you to align your face in the center. Slowly turn your face to the left, back to the center. Slowly turn your head to the right, then back to the center. You can get a credit card and click continue. You can fit into the guide and then click on the camera button below. And it showed that I'm an oval. You can tell on the bottom left-hand corner. It tells you right away what face shape you are. So once I figured out that my face shape was an oval, I was able to find glasses that flattered. So I look good with cat eye and rectangular frames. So anything that's opposite of whatever shape you are. So number two, frames that fit your face shape. Once you use Zenny's try-on tool and figure out your face shape, here are the types of frames that look good on you. For heart-shaped faces, it's square and aviator style. For oval faces like mine, almost any style, but I find that cat eye and rectangular frames look good on me. For square, you look good with round and oval frames. For diamond faces, you look good with round, oval, and cat eye glasses. For round face shape, go for rectangular and geometric shapes. Number three is have your pupillary distance measured. So what's the pupillary distance? It's the distance between this pupil to this pupil, and you need to know that when you're ordering glasses online. What I like about Zenny is that you can narrow down your glasses search by pupillary distance so that you will only see the ones that will work for your eyes. Then you won't fall in love with frames that won't work for you. Don't you wish you could do that with relationships? How do you get your pupillary distance measured? So you can go to your optometrist, but some of them will not want to give you the pupillary distance measurements because they don't want you to go buy glasses somewhere else. Okay, so if that's the case for you, you can always go to Costco, the optical counter, like where they have the frames and glasses in the glass cases, and you can ask them to measure it for you, and they'll do it for free with no obligation. Number 4 is know your frame measurements. So when you're ordering glasses online, you should know what sizes of glasses that you like. I would recommend measuring the frames of like your current frames or your favorite pair of glasses. So just so you have like a reference of what you like. How to measure your frames correctly. I have a link below to this printable millimeter ruler, and that's for measuring frames correctly. And you can find it in a link in the description below. Be sure to print actual size, not fit to screen. After you print it, get a credit card and fit it to the credit card image and see if it fits to make sure you have the right proportions. So the frame width is the trickiest. It's not actually the entire frame. We're only measuring from hinge to hinge because these are the parts that are going to actually touch your face and hug your face. So if you measured your face, you would know like how wide it is and if it would fit these glasses. This is 123. So now we're going to measure the lens width from here to here, and it's the middle of the lens. We're going from edge to edge of the lens, and this is 51 millimeters. And then the lens height is going from here to here, and we're measuring it from like the middle of it, going from the top to the bottom, and this is 33 millimeters. The bridge is from this point to this point, and this is 18 millimeters. Temple length is like from this part to this part. So we're measuring from the front of the frames to the arm piece, and this is 140 millimeters. Once you have your frame measurements, you'll have a better idea if a particular frame will work for you or not. Number 5 is to pay attention to colors that flatter you. So for me, like I have lighter skin and I don't look as good in lighter colors. I look good in darker, like colors that contrast my face, so darker and brighter colors. So here's an example. So here are my reading glasses, and they are like gold on the bottom and it's like some pink on the top, and the gold kind of just disappears into my face and I don't feel like it's as flattering. But I got these for the nose pads just because they're built-in nose pads, but I don't like them as much as my other pair. These are light pink and they're kind of metallic pink, and it's also similar to my skin color, so it also like disappears and fades into my skin. Number 6 is eyes to frame proportion. So I have smaller eyes, and these small frames kind of made my eyes look bigger because the proportion was smaller from my eyes to the glasses. There's less space around my eyes. And what I mean by small is the lens height is really short. These red Zenny glasses were also smaller and have a smaller eye to glasses ratio. And something to think about when wearing smaller glasses is that it's less space for your eyes to see, like there's smaller windows, and that may or not be an issue for you. Since I've gotten older, I kind of like bigger glasses just because they're like bigger windows to see through, and I want to see as much as I can when I can. Number 7, how to order glasses online. Let's get right to it. So now that you know your face shape and your pupillary distance and your frame measurements, let's get started with shopping online for glasses. So I'm at Zenny Optical website, and I'm going to go to shop by face shape. You can go under men or women, it's the same thing. And scroll to your face shape. So I'm an oval, so I'm going to click on frames for oval. Then I'm going to navigate to the left side to filter down. So I'm going to narrow down the selection of frames that are going to work for my face. Choose woman, and for the size, if you don't know which one you are, small, medium, large, you can do custom size. And remember, you measured your frame width. So I'm going to put a range because I know I'm like 123 to like 126. And then you can choose whether you want nose pads. Universal fit is for the nose pads that are a little bit higher. I don't think it really matters because I just get my nose pads drilled in later. So you can look at what you want if you want narrow fit, and then go to view more and select your pupillary distance. This is super important because you don't want to look at glasses and then find out that it's not going to work with your pupillary distance. It's really disappointing to fall in love with frames and then only to find out that it's not going to work for your prescription. So you select yours. The rest I don't really look at until I find the frames I like. Then I look at those numbers. Then it's already populated the search based on my filters. And the glasses here are the ones I wore before. So you can scroll down and look, and I bought these glasses too, these cat eye glasses. These are the ones I'm wearing right now. So just click through and let's go through the numbers. So I'm clicking on this one. This is the one that my most recent pair of glasses. Let's click through it. The ones I like, what I do is I just click favorite. So there's a heart button here. You can click heart and check out the favorites later. So I usually heart the ones I like so that I have a list of the ones I want to look back later. Okay, if you scroll down a little further, you can see the specifications and it shows you the PD range, the pupillary distance range. So this one works for mine. And it tells you the frame, like look in the right side and it tells you the frame size. So remember you measured the frame width. So you know if this one's going to be wide enough for you or not. And it has the lens width, which is like how wide each lens is, and the bridge. The temple length is like how it's going to fit on your ear, and you want to make sure it's long enough so it doesn't pinch your ears. My husband actually bought glasses from Zenny, and they were so short that it pinched his ears, so it doesn't. He's constantly adjusting it, and he hates it. So make sure you pay attention to this. See if it's long enough for you, and then the lens height. This is 37, so it's pretty long for me, and it's probably the longest I can handle. I think if it's too long, then it's too big for my face. So pay attention to lens height. If it's too short, then you get super small glasses that are harder to look through. Like I said, smaller windows. So pay attention to lens height that is comfortable for your eyes. Frame weight, I don't look at too much. And sometimes I look at the reviews because I want to see what the glasses look like in real life and on normal people. So when I look through this, I can see like how the glasses really look like, the colors, because sometimes the picture doesn't really tell you everything. I mean, it tells you when you look at this, it looks super bright, but in person, when I looked at the reviews, the frames weren't as bright. So I thought, okay, this is more neutral. And if you want to do a try on, you can see what they look like on you. So you click on try on the right hand corner, and I can see what it looks like on me here. I have different images of myself, and it looks really close to what it looks like on me right now. Another one to check out is I'm close to try on, and they have this thing called Zenny Frame Fit under the try on. I click on that. You're going to upload a photo of yourself, and what this does is it asks for your pupillary distance so that it can actually fit it to your face, and it's more accurate because it's using measurements, and I always use this so I can see what it really looks like on me, and this is pretty accurate. And when you click favorites, it shows you like there's other favorites you want to it shows you the other glasses you're looking at, and you can try on a bunch at once. So I can scroll here and try on this one, scroll down and click on try on another pair, and you could just try on several and compare this way. It's faster. So when you found the glasses that you like, say I want to buy this pair, and I checked out the frame size and it works for me. Then I want to buy it. I go to select lenses. Then you're going to choose single vision, progressives, or bifocals. Let's just go with single vision to keep it simple. You can scan your prescription or upload it or just enter it manually. I just did it manually. So since I've done it before, I'm going to go to select from my account. I'm going to select from my profile, and I'm going to choose the prescription that I want. Then I'm going to double check that it's the right prescription, and it is. Then I can choose if I want clear lenses or blocks blue light glasses, which is the blue light blocking lenses, and that's for like computer use and sunlight. Transitions and photochromic, I skip this one, or you can do sunglasses, but let's focus on getting regular glasses. If you're unsure which one to get, just get the clear ones. I have a post all about the blue light blocking lenses. It just makes it slightly yellow. It does cut down on the strain for your eyes. So just for simplicity, we're going to go with clear, and it keeps trying to sell you like the blue light blocks, but we're going to go with general use. And I just choose the one recommended for your prescription. It's the basic one. They also have Trivix, which is impacts, resistance, or high index. It's up to you. I just go for what's recommended. And always check the anti-reflective. You need the anti-reflective so that people can actually see your eyes. If you don't have it, it's just going to be like a mirror and people are going to have a hard time seeing your eyes. So always get this one no matter what. And go finish and add to cart. So when you're ready, just enter your information and go to checkout and fill out that information. If you want to order the Blocks blue light glasses, this one's the one I have is Blocks. Blocks Plus I haven't used. This is really for more intensive screen use, but just use Blocks for now. And I choose the one that's recommended for my prescription. This one's recommended a high index, and I'm just going to choose that. And then always add the anti-reflective. It's free. And then finish and add to cart. You guys, as I was walking back here to clear the boards out of my background, you know what I found? A garter snake. Oh my god. Good thing I was wearing glasses so that I could see clearly. These are the dangers I face when I'm filming videos for you guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. See you next time. Bye.